Roaring Kitty is getting sued. That's right. An individual investor trader who was voicing his opinions on Reddit, on YouTube. By the way, he said he was getting like 14 views on YouTube to start off because he was doing 3-hour analysis on a stock by himself. Is getting sued because some large trader was selling naked calls, about $200,000 worth. Now, I want to warn you, to sell naked calls, you need to use margin. Margin requires risk. Naked option selling requires risk. They did about $200,000 worth of naked call options, and they got their ass kicked, so now they're whining, suing Roaring Kitty. To sell those $200,000 worth of naked calls, you at least have to have a 7-figure account minimum. Basically, that guy was betting against GameStop, where he needed GameStop to close under the 100 strike calls that he sold. Well, guess what? GameStop went up. So he's losing his shirt, getting his ass kicked because you have to buy back those call options at a higher price. Think of it as the opposite of buying calls. So he's suing Roaring Kitty because of influence on a stock that he bought himself and did an analysis himself. He's a smart guy. He should be applauded, not sued because someone, and they claim other investors, bet against them. Now, what's crazy is I can see that people would be mad if they bought the stock at 300 and then it went down to 50. Okay, but you're responsible for clicking your mouse. It's your account. You buy it. He wasn't managing money and he wasn't buying this stock for anyone else. The idiot was so dumb, he bet against them. And now he's whining because he lost. So we're seeing Congress. We're seeing Melvin Capital. We're seeing Ken Griffin with Citadel. We're seeing Robinhood. These villains out there who want to crush the little guy, crush the little dog. Because if you bark, if you make money in the stock market, guess what? We're going to take it away. You're going to be caged. But if you're a big dog and you have influence out there, oh, guess what? We'll give you a bone. You get a free pass. What gets me is this. Roaring Kitty said he was getting like 14 views, barely had any followers on Twitter and YouTube and stuff like that at the time when he initiated the GameStop position. A famous guy, Shamav, was Socio Capital, 1.3 million Twitter followers. He said he bought call options. He took a Twitter poll, said, what stock should I buy? He bought call options on GameStop. He said it wasn't a big bet, like 100K worth. Oh, nothing, chump change. Then he goes on CNBC to talk about his position. And the next day, those GameStop calls that he bought, well, they doubled and he cashed out. But that is totally fine because his 1.3 million followers, who knows how many views CNBC gets, they didn't influence the stock or manipulate the stock in any way, right? Oh, well, because he's a big dog and worth billions of dollars, that's fine. Okay, if you think Wall Street is fair, if you think this absolute chaos that we're having in Congress, the Financial Service Committee, what in the hell is going on, right? Is that crazy? Let me know in the comments what you think of the GameStop situation. What stock are they going to come after next? And let me know your opinion on these crooks at Wall Street. I want to know. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll see you on the next video.